Crafty Friends, this is Julissa of Paper Gems by Jules, and today's video is one of two of this series where I am using white cardstock as well as ivory cardstock. But in this video, I am coloring it using I'm coloring both of them using the same Copic colors, and the goal is to demonstrate how these colors, the same colors, look a little different on each of the different card base colors. So you'll see that sometimes the blue will have a little bit more of a yellow tone on the ivory than it does on the white. And you'll see how the gray might be a little bit darker on the ivory than it is on the white. Some colors might be a little more bright on the white than they are on the ivory, and and such. But you'll see that as you color, and you can also create if you have some sort of a swatch for your Copics, you should definitely try it on whatever ivory cardstock you have, or if you have that Nina Desert Storm or like that craft color, you should definitely do that as well, just so that you can see the variety in colors. But that's the goal of this video. Now, the other video that I mentioned before, that is the vintage version of this. It's the same two tags, stamped exactly the same, but I'm using grays. So on the ivory, I'm using a warm gray. On the white, I'm using a cool gray, just to show how to create a vintage look of these exact same tags. So I just wanted to share some versatility of the stamp, creating it as a tag for the holidays. I know it's super hot and we're talking about winter and the holidays, but we're trying to pregame. We're getting ahead of our game. We're trying to, get ahead of all the hoopla when it does happen. So enjoy it. Maybe this will cool you off, seeing the little snowman. But enjoy the video. I won't talk through the whole thing. I have put the colors as I'm using them on the upper left-hand corner of the video. I'll have some details in the blog as well as below. If you have any questions, make sure to list them. I would love for you to subscribe and make sure that you get notifications of any videos going forward, and check out some of my older videos. I know some of them might be a little crazy and older, but hey, you can always learn something new. So thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you find some inspiration, and happy crafting.